Hi, welcome to chapter 7 of Nexwave mail tutorial, and in this chapter we will go through with you on your appearances. Appearances is a page, it's the third main page in the backend content, and this is where you basically change the layout of the app. For example, if you come to the home screen, if you come to under appearance, you come to layout, you can either have the status bar there or not. So we're just going to have the status bar there for now. And you have a traditional layout or you have a modern layout. Modern layout basically means that the buttons will appear from the side. That means there will be a small button here. You see my mouse pointing, and then when people click on it, the buttons will come on the side. Or you can have a traditional whereby the tabs or the buttons will be at the bottom part. And if you want to have more buttons, that means you hear it will say more. When they click more, it will drop down. But usually you don't need to have it, so it can become a slider, so you can just slide it. And you can choose whether you want it to be a 4-row or a 2-row or single row. Or you can have 5 tabs in one side, or you can have 4 tabs, or you can have, I'm just going to go to 4 tabs. And you can either use your background or you can not use your background, it's up to you. And extra buttons, for example, call us, direction, tell a friend, you can enable it if you want. Subtabs is if you have any subtabs, you can actually add that. And for header, this is usually you choose no header. So here it will be empty, so that is just your background image. And then you can choose the background opacity if you want, and the height as well. You can choose how you want to choose as. And for your buttons, this is your button, so you can change it accordingly. So if you want to change it to a different layout or different format or different color, you can play around with that. And the text color is actually determined here, so whatever text color you want to have. So if you want it to be all white or if you want it to be all black, then you can have this all black. And same thing goes to icon color, so you can change it accordingly. So if you want it to have all black, which looks nice here, I'll just choose all black. Whatever you choose here, make sure that you come here to save. If you do not save, it will all go away. So make sure that you save whatever changes that you make in your appearances. And background image, you don't have to do anything about it because you've already added in all your background images in the content area. So here you can just leave it as it is. And app layout is basically what are the tabs and how you want to move around the tabs and things like that. Make sure all your tabs are active. So if all your tabs are active, then it will basically display. So in appearances, all you need to worry about in appearance is come to this small tab, sub-tab here, which is appearance, and then you change the color of your tab. You can change the color of the icon, the background image, and all the other information. So that's about it. So that is what your appearance is. So now you have a clear idea how your app appears on your mobile